Hello. So welcome to unboxing of the new iPhone XS. Some of you might call it the iPhone XS, 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 whatever you like to call it. Let's unbox it. So this is how it arrived. I made sure I printed out the sheet of paper to pre-sign to receive this. And well, let's open it up and see what's inside. And what I recommend is if you're opening this, make sure you at least have parental permission or you're very safe. And I'll just use my trusty dusty old timer here in case, of course, you're wondering how I'm opening this. So as I do open this, I'm interested to see what is actually new, considering that I'll be upgrading for my current device, which is, of course, the iPhone 8. So let's see what happens. So as I open up the box, this is pretty much the way in which iPhones are placed into boxes as far as shipment is concerned. And I'll now make an attempt to cut the phone out of this plastic. And of course that plastic is placed there so the phone doesn't move around in transit. So let's see here. Now that I've cut the plastic, if I can get it out of here, this is what we have. So this is it. The new iPhone XS. So I'll now remove all the plastic and then we'll see what happens here. So the plastic comes off quite easily. And I'll take it out of the box now and move the other box that came from the shipper, which arrived today via UPS at about nearly 11 o'clock, just before 11, maybe 10:55. And inside is this. I don't necessarily know. Okay, this is just regulatory information along with stickers, which I rarely have ever used. Now, if Apple were to pay me, I'd put stickers everywhere. However, since they don't pay me, I will not place stickers anywhere. And this is it. So this is that very, very new. And oh boy, it just fell out of the box nearly. So this is that very, very new iPhone XS, as it is here. And there it is there. So as I can see, this gold really does pop. The gold that is on this is much better than the gold that I have on my current iPhone 8. So here is the trusty old brick that they typically have included with iPhones. And in addition to that brick, here are the earbuds, which I have rarely ever used. And then as I continue digging inside, we do also find a charger, a very, I guess I'll say, short charger. And it looks like, well, yes, that's it. So inside the box is, well, this box, along with the outside of the box. There is the charger, the small charger. Here is the charging brick, which I don't really need anymore. And of course, those trusty dusty earbuds. So along with that, this is it, the unboxing of the very, very new iPhone XS arrived today. So thank you all for watching. Be sure to post and ask me any questions and add comments at any time.